You know, longer problems should give us less fear because it turns out that they make them that way to make it seem harder and to scare us. But you ain't gonna get me, SAT. So reading this problem, we see that ultimately her drive at 6:30 a.m., with no traffic, she goes as fast as she typically does, no problem. But if she leaves 30 minutes later, maybe she took extra time to eat cereal or catch a show, I don't know. That now she's catching traffic and she's increasing her travel time by 33%, but that's only from the freeway entrance to the freeway exit, which is this point right here. Now, what we wanted first, if everything else is staying the same, they want to know how much more time is she spending on her total commute if she leaves at 7 a.m. versus 6:30. Well, because the only thing that changes is the freeway entrance to the freeway exit, that's all we care about then. That's the only thing we're going to work on today. So let's first figure out how much time it takes for her without being in traffic. What that means is that we look at her distance, which is 15.4 miles. That's our given. We put that over 1, and we're going to multiply that by the rate that they give us, which is 50 miles per hour. ¿Por qué putting 50 miles on the bottom? Because that cancels out these miles, and this is still a true statement, 1 hour for every 50 miles that have passed. And so if we calculate that, we end up with 15.4 divided by 50 is 0.308 hours. If I want to turn that into minutes, remember that if that's our new given, every 1 hour is 60 minutes. That cancels this out. And then that means that all I have to do is multiply that by 60. So without traffic, she's spending 18.48 minutes on just the freeway entrance to the freeway exit. So what does it mean if she's going 33% long, if it takes her 33% more? All we have to do is multiply that by 1.33 because that gives us our original value with the 1, but then the 0.33 increases it by 33%, and that gives us 24, what was that? 0.5784 minutes. So this is our 6 a.m. time, and this is our 7 a.m. time. What's the difference? All we need to know is this difference because the other times are the same anyways. So if we subtract that by 18.48, we end up with 6.09, which they want us to have us rounded to the nearest minute, which gives us the answer of 6.